everyone, my name is Alyssa Saquilayan and I am a nurse coach who coaches Filipino Americans and women of color to overcome emotional eating so that they can reclaim their power over food without the punishment, shame, or guilt. I've been working with Sharon for the past year and a half now, and most recently through the Wealth Accelerator program, where I really learned to feel at ease and relaxed in my business. Before working with her, I used to feel super confused, anxious, and overwhelmed with all the different tasks and marketing strategies. But since working with Sharon and really leaning into my zone of genius, I feel so much more in flow. It really affirmed my love for connecting with people, and leaning into that strength made me feel excited because it felt natural to me. Since working with her and learning about my strengths, I have hired someone to help me with my social media posts. I also reached out to 2 coach entrepreneurs to be guest speakers in my group coaching program. And because of this, I have recognized my ability to feel confident and also reach out to those people to build more wealth in my business. Because Sharon helped me discover my strengths, it has been such a huge weight off of my shoulders, and I no longer feel like I'm pushing this heavy rock uphill, but rather I feel so much more in flow, and I'm following a path that feels aligned to me. So if you're feeling unsure about working with Sharon, I encourage you to think about your deepest why in your business. You really don't have anything to lose. Sharon is such a compassionate and loving and graceful space holder, and you really have nothing to lose if you just hop on to a call with her to see if it's a good fit. So again, thank you, Sharon, for helping me just feel so much more aligned and at ease in my business.